Good morning, welcome to Williams Crawford. I'm Adrian and it's Passion for Porsche Walkabout Wednesday just before Christmas. So I'm going to show you around and let you see all the interesting stuff that's going on. Come with me. I'll bring in definite Christmas cheer. This is 993 RS Optic left-hand drive in speed yellow. Looks fantastic. I'm going to leave the ladies alone here and go and show you through the showroom. Well, I've been away for a few days and every time I come in I see different things. 981 in white looks really good. This little Boxer jade green metallic, very rare in the day, and this one has no mileage on it. It's like brand new. We've sold it a few times before and no surprise, you'll get an all but a new car with that. Let's see what else is lurking in here. A Viper green. I know this to be a homage, but homage to a 2.7 RS. I know we've been doing some work on that car. I don't know whether it's for sale or will be for sale. This impact bumper Porsche came and went really fast. And outside it looks like just arrived Macan, a C4 993. Now, I don't know how I managed it, but I walked straight past one of my favourites, which is this GT4 Cayman. It's like brand new. If you're after a Cayman GT4, this is the one. I think it's done 10,000 miles. It smells like new. It's got the buckets, it's got the ceramics, it's got the deviated stitching in red. For a perfectionist, that's your car. Let's see what else we got going on here. Now this one I supplied 10 years ago. This is a 2.7 S. Now these are the bridge between the impact bumpers and the long bonnet cars, because they've still got the narrow rear arches and the slim body, the 15-inch fouche. This one's got the bright work package, which was the chrome around the arches or the bright alloy on the arches and usually along the sill, and then the chrome on the beautiful chrome on the Targa roof and along the doors, door frames, door handles, and then the silver hoop. And this I've done 1,000 kilometers with and I highly recommend it. A really good one to enjoy. Very difficult to find like that. A Gen 1.5 turbo 997, 993, which I see is now sold. Fantastic. This one's waiting to go and be delivered somewhere. That'll cause a great deal of fun and entertainment. Little 550 Spider replica. All aluminium, really authentic feel to this car. Just look at that. No, the heater doesn't work. The electric windows don't work. In fact, it's got nothing. It's just a steering wheel, brake pedal and a go. Fantastic. Selection of 356 and another one incoming. Such pretty cars. So pretty. And then we have here 996 C4S, super good value for money, really good cars if you buy a good one. And a lovely low mileage 996 cab. I'm going to take a closer look at this. 45,000 miles, you cannot go wrong with that. Manual, dark blue leather, silver body. You cannot go wrong, and it's a Carrera 4. Beside it, which isn't online yet, but this is a project car. So it does have an engine, does have a gearbox, but it does need a fair bit of work to put together. It's got really good components in it. You know, you can see the expensive wheels, and I think it's got good suspension and things like that. But it does need some work and putting together and get in the way that you like it. So it's an unfinished project, and just waiting for someone that's handy to finish it off. So call us about that. It came in from South Africa. Got 964 RS and another 964 RS. Tri-coloured seats are wicked, aren't they? Beautiful. And if you like, this would have been a 964 RS in 1967. It's a little 2 litre S, short wheelbase, competition car. 993 C2S. Lovely looking Cayman. Now let's be going into the special works and seeing what is going on there. Well, this is a safari car that's been out on the road for the best part of 12 months. That we're just doing some little revisions to in a service for the client, and we're building a Safari Cayenne as well. Now, in here, Richard's Group 4 rally car with the wheel arches removed. This is evidence of his little contretemps on his last outing. I can see a 2.7 replica. It's 3.2 on Group 4 wheels, looking particularly cool. 997 GT3 Cup car. Old school Mobile livery. Oh, Continental Orange Group 4 3 litre. This is a car I've raced before and will be ready for the season. Let's see what else we've got going on here. A 2.4, I think, S that we've done some maintenance work to. 3 litre SC. That will be a 2.7. Well, I know what's going on here, look. It must be out for an engine rebuild. Beside it, very unusual, Alfa Romeo Montreal. Particularly unusual, it's right-hand drive. Now, although we're well known for Porsche, we also look after cars that people really love, because we take care of this sort of thing. We got good skills, and frankly our guys have got a good attitude towards it. So whether it's something like this, a Mini Moog, Maserati, or a Ferrari or a Bentley, we can cope and we can look after you. But I know there's lots of engine work going on, and I can see Paul working away in the engine department. And the workshop, a bit quieter than usual. We've got a few people taking time off. Panamera, various bits of maintenance going on, and our new ramp being installed as we speak. So that is it from us at Williams Crawford. I want to thank everyone for the support that you've given, for the 5-star reviews, and promise that next year we move up another gear. We'll have more interesting developments and lots of very interesting cars that are already in the pipeline. So please look forward to seeing you after Christmas, and we've got a skeleton staff on over the Christmas break should you need us.